this video, we are going to discuss about configuring LM35 with a fully ranged from -55 to 150 degrees Celsius configuration. So let's go to the code. In this code, we have defined that ADC pin as A0 and ADC ref voltage 5. We have defined a function called LM35 data. In the LM35 data, we have defined two variables called value and voltage. And voltage, we read the voltage from ADC pin and put it into voltage variable, and voltage equals to voltage multiplied by 5 divided by 123, and voltage is voltage minus voltage of two diodes. These two diodes that we have put has a forward voltage of 0.45 volts, so we are going to subtract that, and the value equals to voltage divided by 10 millivolts, and we return the value. And in the loop function, we are going to print the value of the LM35 data. My codes are committed in a GitHub repository that I give the address in the description. So make sure to subscribe my channel and go to my GitHub repository if you want to download the code or clone it.